I'm Sakshi Badole, an MTech student in computer science at IIT Hyderabad. And if I have to sum up my experience here in one line, it would be this. IIT didn't just give me a degree, it gave me a direction. When I was deciding where to pursue my MTech, I had options. But something about IIT felt different. The research culture, the young and dynamic energy of the institute, and the kind of environment will push you to become better. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. MTech at IITH is demanding. There are moments when the workload feels overwhelming, the deadline piles up, and you sometimes feel that you've bitten off more than what you can chew. And I've come to realize everyone feels the same way. That discomfort is not a sign that you don't belong here, it's a sign that you are growing. IITH has this incredible way of pushing you just beyond what you think you can achieve, and every time you come out on the other side, you are a sharper, stronger, and more capable version of yourself. The challenge isn't the obstacle, it's the whole experience. For me, I felt a similar growth with my thesis work, and which focuses on automatically detecting errors in real-world data, and none of it would have taken the shape that it is right now without the guidance of Dr. Manish Singh. As I'm wrapping it up now, it feels like a quiet proof of everything IITH has pushed me to become. It started as an intimidating problem, and slowly with right environment and right mentor around me, turned into something I'm genuinely proud of. And that's what this space does. It takes a problem that feels so big and gives you the tools, the mindset, and honestly, the stubbornness to see them through. So, and whatever you get from it, it reflects in the way you approach a problem and how the industry sees it. IITH consistently attracts some of the big tech names every year. Basic for that is not just the brand name, it's the skills that you learn here every single day. But beyond academics and career, what you gain for life is the community. The culture here at IITH is inclusive, intellectually alive, and surprisingly warm. There are many times you will find yourself having some of the best conversations about life, about career, about research, about your ideas, at odd times with people who genuinely inspire you. So to every MTech aspirant watching this, I believe IITH has been the right choice for me, and I think it can be the right choice for you too. If you think you need a place that challenges you, that supports you, and that prepares you for what's next. Thank you.